Are you guys having fun?
Yes. Yes. Aren't you supposed to be helping?
I am helping.
Okay. This is gonna bring in more volunteers.
Did you guys plant that tree too?
Oh, this one? Yeah, the little miracle grow on. It was this tall yesterday. We're gonna move it though. We don't like where it's at.
Gonna turn it.
Yeah. This is the prettier side.
Hola.
They went pretty high end with
Oh my goodness, look at this. Fabulous. Lots of storm. Oh my gosh, you've cleared this patch already. That's amazing. I should have done it before and after. This was all weeds. And these guys are throwing the sledgehammer around like they were born on the chain gang. Woohoo! Uh-huh, it's awesome.
Laying the groundwork.
Have to show us enjoying doing. So guys, quick question. Since you're working on the curb, does that give new meaning to curb appeal?
We're all about the curb appeal here.
Yeah, you're all about the curb appeal. A little less curb appeal would go a long way, huh?
A front end loader would help on the curb.
Yeah. Who knew curb appeal could be so
Appealing. Alright, try the vampire juice.
the vampire juice.
It's good.
Is it?
Tastes like blood.
It's the cheap and have
Come on, guys. How is it, guys? You get enough food here? Oh my goodness.
These guys all look tired. I'm still.
You're gonna be energized from all this food.
We're sharing.
Check it out, man. Nobody's sharing. Your paintbrush, if you're sure. Woohoo! The fun stuff. Yay! This is the reward after doing all of this weed pulling. Can you imagine that, sports fans? Holy cow, did this house have weeds? Great work, guys.
probably one of his neighbors, and so he just wanted to make sure he got a chance to see you guys. That's nice. So we were in this morning, but yes.
Little calm after the storm.
Before and after.
Yes, bravo. Hey. I'm taking a tour to show all the fabulous volunteer handiwork. This house looks extraordinary now. The flowers are pretty to appreciate. Let's look at where the real work occurred. Look at that. Gone the green weeds and the non-grass, and you don't know. Well, you did see the toiling that these men and women were doing to get this stuff uprooted. Unbelievable effort. Hi ho, it's home from work we go.